Yes, Matt 635. Magic in broader light. This is a call for you to do the work now. Do the work now. Do the trek work, the three demands as written in the New Testament. We're going to show you in a minute from the New Testament. It's not going to be easy. If anybody promises you that it's going to be easy, it's not going to be easy. But the hard part of it we are doing. We are shifting it. We are giving you the product. Okay? We are giving you the product. It's only for you to bend down now and be focused and go into the spiritual and complete our spiritual exercises and set yourself. You see, you plant the trees. One thing with the trees is this: don't be that one that will be so religious and unrealistic. You expect wonders, you expect miracles to happen in such a way that you want your child born today to begin to grow up and begin to support you and to know everything. No, you have to have the element of patience. Okay, allow that very child to grow up naturally. Okay, and reach that very stage where he can be able to support himself and to support you. Don't be that very one who thinks that you can plant a tree today and every tree will grow and begin to support you. Give it time, give it effort. But the call that we are making today is this: begin now. If you want to live like a star, you have to start now. If you want to live successful here on earth, you have to begin to do exactly what the successful they are doing. This is dedicated, this very day is dedicated to calling you to build wealth. It's dried all around you. You've tried all kinds of businesses and it didn't work. This is AirTV Light calling you to give this a chance. Okay? Our legacy to you is to live healthy and to live wealthy. It's as simple as that. Our mantra, our universal mantra, is this start from us. It started from ancestral times. It is ask for good, ask for the best in life. You see, when you have been given rubbish, when you have been given trash, that is why you receive trash back. But when you begin to give good, you see that you begin to attract good. People will be searching you out for healing. People will be searching you out. Okay, this is gold. This is in the sense that the healing that we bring in here, we are building $1 trillion market. It's only for you to show some faith, exercise some faith, and come in and begin to do it. You have to begin now to plant it. Do not procrastinate. Plant it. Begin now to begin to plant it. And you're wondering, whose voice are you hearing? This is LTB Light Premier Member number 1. You see, we know that we cannot do anything. We are powerless. We are not able to do anything without our inner eyes open. It's not all voices. It's not all mentors that is supposed to lead us. Allow the right energy. Tap into the right energy. You see, you do not go to somebody that depends upon the sun to be the source of you being a millionaire on earth. Whereas you can be able to go without any medium, without any distraction, without any interference. You can be able to go with your mind to the sun, attune to the sun, and begin to invent it and become a millionaire, and begin to invest it and become a millionaire, and begin to market it and become a millionaire. You see, these are the powers that you can do directly by tapping into the sun, tapping into the energies. We are doing it. We've been doing it. This is the 635th day on this very journey. It's not easy. People said it's impossible, but if it is possible, we wouldn't do it. We love it when it is not possible to do, and that is why we are here doing it today, living our signature, living our trails here online, so that our own children can be able to come in and know that their own children, their own fathers, their own ancestors did not take an easy way out. We laid that very foundation. We did not pass to them a legacy of poverty. We left a way out. 3 things that you're supposed to do with the New Testament. Pay careful attention. This is a call for you to begin to do it. You see, when you download any of our works, you're going to be able to read the Bible that the richest, the best of the best that they're reading. Okay? That makes their life forever and ever evergreen. Okay? This is from the American dollar. If you cannot be able to see what the Ankh is, do you know what the Ankh is? Download it from the Google. You see what the Ankh is. But look at how total strangers who are now in the chambers of your own fathers positioned it in front of you, but you cannot be able to know that the Ankh is right in front of you. If you don't have the inner eyes to see where the treasures is, how can you be able to make the money? If you are blind, how can you be able to choose the right seeds to plant? If you are blind, how can you be able to see gold and know that this is good and valuable? You see, we've been blind, asleep for so long that you cannot be able to even hear the voice of our own ancestors. Even when our own ancestors is speaking to us, we are terrorized, we are running away, we cannot be able to understand, we cannot be able to hear. But remain where you are. This is it, clearly written. Can you be able to see the anchor of your own fathers here? That tree that you are going to plant today, that will sustain you for the rest of your life. Can you be able to see the anchor and the power of the anchor right here? That very staff that you're going to wield, that very light that you're going to shade, can you see that this is a lamp and this is the bulb right here that will continue to light the path of your own children, your own generation, your own lineage? Can you see this as a key, the anchor that is going to unlock the way for you to enter into the global market and begin to make money? We have done this very magic in broad daylight, and that is to recall our own people back. Okay, follow successful people and you too will become successful. There's a link that is provided right here below this very video, or right at the end of this very video. Download it. It's 10-day spiritual exercises, ATB Light Well Building Plan. Begin to use it, begin to plant it. To become a man, your wisdom counts, your intelligence counts, your experience counts, your knowledge counts. But to become a great man, you have to have an open mind, a willingness to try the spiritual exercises, the 10 spiritual exercises right here before you. Okay? None of them is greater than any. The one of them that is powerful enough to entertain you, to enlighten you, and to empower you is to know exactly how Moses transformed this very staff into a living serpent and transformed that very living serpent back into a commanding staff in his hands. The earlier you know about that very art, the more you begin to break away from poverty syndrome, from poverty cycle, from poverty generation, from poverty lineage. Do it now. We are going to sign off now. Remember, this is a 1001 day journey. We do it in broader light, light magic, leading our own people to wealth, to abundance, to surplus. Okay, Coach Eman, do be well. At the end of this very video, remember to like it and to subscribe to it, and peace.